Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So this is the latest and greatest G-Class, the 2025 G63 performance package. And as soon as I saw this car in person, I was like, wow, this is absolutely crazy. So this is in theme of the black G-Wagons, but as you can see immediately, this is not the black, typical black. Well, first and foremost, this is in matte paint, so this is the manufacturer night black Magno matte paint, and it has almost everything in black apart from the wheels, as you can see. So it has a night package plus. Everything is blacked out or dark chrome, so it looks really boss level like, I would say. But first let's check out the silhouette, so we can see the wheels. These are the 22-inch cross-spoke AMG wheels, so you know these wheels from before, they are the same structure, but the color is now in gold or tech gold in the US. It's a matte color on the wheels, and we have also black calipers with the white lettering, which I think this fits this theme really nicely. And guys, let me know what you think about the black and gold combination of the G-Wagon in the comment section down below. So how you can tell that this is a 2025, also because of the wheels, but another thing is the front design. So here we have these gills, these sort of openings, so this is new for 2025. You can have carbon fiber here as well if you want, and everything is blacked out. The Mercedes star, the Panamericana or so-called AMG specific grille, AMG logo blacked out, everything. And on the latest one you have the AFFALTERBACH crest. This one is also darkened because of the extended night package plus. So I really truly think this is one of the best specs which I have seen. Truly something else. Also the 2025, what you can do, these sort of running boards here, these sideboards, you can darken them from the factory, so this is new as well. And you can also darken the exhaust. This was not possible before, so this is also now dark chrome from the factory. You can have a G manufacturer logos here, the G logos, keyless system as well. Keyless system is also available, but on this one I don't see this, so maybe it's not on this particular car, but it is possible to have, of course, the keyless system. You can see everything is blacked out. Also the logos here, AMG logo, gloss black. You can have also this rear cover of the spare wheel in carbon, that's also possible. Here it is in body color, G63 in gloss black. But here I can see the keyless. You have also privacy glass in the back. And of course you have the AMG fuel filler cap, the more exclusive one. Right now it's turning around, but yes, you can have it. Looks really great. And you should use the best fuel, 98 or more. 95 is possible, but the best one. And you can see the pressures also for the vehicle. You can also have this trim piece in carbon fiber, so there are so many packages which you can get for this car that it is truly crazy. V8 bi-turbo in gloss black, so the G-Class fans will love the 2025. The customization level is off the hook, and also you can do any color in the world with the special program. So you can give a sample to your dealer and they will paint it, do exactly the same shade how you want. Even Ferrari color if you want, Scuderia Rosso, they can do it, everything, Scuderia, Ferrari, everything, Lamborghini color, anything what you want, they can do, which is fantastic now for the 2025. So the AMG performance package actually includes option which I would say is a must-have if you want to have the most sporty G63, and that's the AMG Active Ride Control. The only car in the AMG lineup which has this suspension is the new G63. No other car as of today has this suspension, so this makes the G63 really agile and fantastic in the corners. I did already driving review with the green vehicle, green Hell Magno, with the same suspension, so make sure to check that out as well. And this is something else in terms of the driving capabilities. Let's check out the wheels. These are Goodyear tires, Eagle F1 MO1, so AMG compound. And the tire size, this is the SUV version, and the tire size is 295/40 R22, and it should be the same in the front, so 295/40 R22. So you can see the hinges exposed like we love with the G-Class. Can do so many colors, but I think this is something what many people will enjoy, this night black Magno. I certainly enjoy this a lot. Also check out these brakes, black with the white lettering. And here is the key to the vehicle. Let's go ahead and check out the engine bay, but we will turn off the engine because it can be quite loud. Okay, so let's go ahead and soft close this door, and let's check out the engine bay, where you can find something what you will like for sure, and I like this too. And it's nice and warm. So this is the 4.0 liter V8 bi-turbo, handcrafted in a AFFALTERBACH by Dani Neves. I hope I pronounced this correctly. So you can see AFFALTERBACH, AMG Germany, that's the HQ where the engines are built, and then the engine is sent to the Graz, to Austria, where the vehicle is hand built. So this is hand built vehicle, not machine built. That's also special by the Magna factory in Austria. So this engine is producing 585 horsepower. This is a Hot V setup, cross plane crankshaft, so the turbochargers are on top of the cylinder banks, and the acceleration is 4.4 seconds. Top speed is increased because of the AMG drivers package, which is included in the AMG performance package, and that's 240 km per hour, 149 miles per hour. So really dynamic, and in the test it is even faster. I tested this with the GPS timing gear, and we got under 4 seconds. So this is just crazy power with stock. And imagine if you put Brabus kit or any other tuner with even increased horsepower, this will fly like crazy. You need to slam it in order to close this properly.